Description: an at-home sulfate-free shampoo used to remove buildup and excess oils for hair with extensions. Benefits: sulfate-free, anti-aging, anti-frizz, gluten-free extension cleanser. Suggested use: massage shampoo throughout wet hair and scalp. Rinse thoroughly and repeat if necessary. Top reviews from the United States. Magic. This shampoo is magic. I've tried tons of shampoos in my life and this stuff is amazing. I could feel the difference as soon as I scrubbed it in my hair. The damaged hair ends were healed and smooth. After drying, I didn't even need to straighten the ends. Worked on my keratin bonded extensions and my actual hair. This stuff is heavenly. Great for tape-in extensions. I use this for my tape-in hair extensions. Smells great, works well and doesn't damage the tape. One bottle lasts me about 2 months, and I wash my hair twice a week.